Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermarks on your video on Videoleap. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Videoleap application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you log in, you can simply tap on the plus icon to create a new project or work on a recent one by tapping on projects. Once you open your video file to work on, just go ahead and make any of your desired edits into the video. Once you're satisfied with your edit and you need to export your video, you can simply tap on the export button at the top right corner. Now within the export option, you will see the watermark tab at the top. You can simply turn this off by tapping on the off button and then export your video by tapping on export settings. After setting up your settings, you can simply go back and then tap on save video after turning off watermark. You might be shown an advertisement that will allow you to export without using the watermark. And with this, you will be able to remove watermarks on your Videoleap application. But this will only work if you are within the 7-day trial period. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.